the first time in 3 days, it's actually quiet here at Franklin Field as the Penn Relays have come to a close. I'm Craig Smith alongside of Alexandria James. And Alexandria, today, Saturday, was a huge day for the University of Pennsylvania here at the Penn Relays. I'm Craig Smith with the PennRelays.com. We're here with Noelle Jankowicz. Big couple days for you to start off the Penn Relays. As a freshman, you go out, you become the third Penn student to ever win the heptathlon here at the Penn Relays. What was that experience all about?
Oh, it was great. I mean, coming in, I didn't really know what to expect since this was my first collegiate heptathlon.
Well, this is a unique experience, obviously being part of the Penn Relays. Some people get nervous. Some people are going to thrive under that extra pressure. I guess you're the kind of athlete that's going to thrive when the lights are on.
Yeah, I definitely do better with the pressure.
And then it was on to the big races, the USA versus the world, the Americans. Brazil was here, Bahamas was here, China was here, and the big race, the big star of the day was the men's 4x100 relay as they came down the stretch. It was the USA and the Jamaicans neck and neck. The Americans win it by 0.01 seconds. Afterwards, I caught up with USA's Justin Gatlin. One of the great and unique things about the Penn Relays is the multiple generations we get to see here at Franklin Field. Here's a look at the men's senior division, 70-plus, 100 meters. Robert Coons from Potomac Valley Track won this race by 2/100ths of a second. Talking to Coach Sinisi, he's made the comment he doesn't want you guys to peak too early. I know it's kind of tough at a big event like the Penn Relays, but do you feel like you're in a good position now as you move forward to the Ivy League Championships and beyond?
Yeah, it's one of the things he always says is you don't want to waste the good ones.
It's one of the big stories at the Penn Relays is always to see how the first-timers perform under the lights here at Franklin Field. To answer that question, we asked Ashley Montgomery of the Quakers.
Earlier when I was going to class, I walked by Franklin Field and I started getting a little nervous.
I loved watching Thomas Awad win that Olympic mile, but you know what the big thing was for me has to be that 4x100 relay. That's going to go down as one of the best races in the history of Penn Relays. When you have a finish 0.01 seconds, the Americans beating the Jamaicans, the crowd was going crazy. It was a special event. A big day for Malik Reynolds of Penn as well. He wins the men's championship in the high jump for the second time in his career with a height of 2.19 meters. You know, Tuesday, Wednesday, we start off with the heptathlon, the decathlon. Thursday, a lot of great events. But Friday is when the crowds really start to show up to check out all the great action. Of course, Saturday's the big day. It'll be packed here at Franklin Field. Big day for Quaker runners as well. Thomas Awad competing in the men's Olympic development mile. That race kicks off at 3:55 in the afternoon.